Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to cook fluffy and non-sticky quinoa in the pressure cooker. Quinoa is a great gluten-free add-ons in salads, and I prefer non-sticky quinoa in my salads, which can be made easily in the pressure cooker. And guys, I have already shared the health benefits of quinoa and many quinoa recipes which will be updated in the playlist titled Quinoa Recipes for Weight Loss. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. Quinoa is also a good meal option for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes. So let's get started with the recipe. I bought this quinoa from the local supermarket and hence I will not be able to give you any buying links. Into a bowl, add in half cup quinoa, and guys, please note that it is pronounced as quinoa and not as quinoa. Okay, add in some water and allow the quinoa to soak for at least 5 minutes, and after about 5 to 10 minutes of soaking, I prefer to rinse the quinoa first by stirring it around the bowl and rub the grain gently against each other the way I am showing in the video. Now discard the water and then add in some more water and repeat the same process until the water runs clear. Now this step of rinsing the quinoa is very important as quinoa has a natural coating called saponin that can make the cooked quinoa slightly bitter. So even if the packet states that it is pre-washed, it is highly recommended that you give a good rinse before you cook the quinoa. Once the quinoa is rinsed well, keep it on a strainer for a few minutes. Now into my pressure cooker, I am adding in 3/4 cup water, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and once the water starts to boil, add in the rinsed and strained quinoa. Give it a stir and close the cooker. And once the steam comes through the hob, place the weight on the hob and pressure cook on high flame, and after the first whistle, put the flame on the lowest for 7 minutes, and after 7 minutes, turn off the heat and open the cooker only after the pressure has released by itself. And after about 10 minutes, open the cooker and you can see that quinoa is cooked perfectly. Allow it to cool down lightly and then transfer it to a bowl. You can see how fluffy and non-sticky the quinoa is. I personally prefer non-sticky quinoa for salads, and yes, I'll be sharing more weight loss quinoa recipes in the next couple of videos. Cooked quinoa can be stored in an airtight glass container and kept in the fridge for a couple of days. Do watch my previous videos on quinoa to understand more about its health benefits. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.